Here I should have probably said that a billion people had requested this topic, but sadly no. However, effective trip packing is kinda a weird kink of mine, probably because I really hate to travel with anything besides my backpack. So it was only a matter of time for me to roll out this kind of video. Anyways, let's go ahead and see how to travel with only this type of luggage when you're kinda also into fashion at the same time. Hi everybody and welcome to the Purple Mood. Today I'd like to share with you a carry-on friendly trip capsule which I recently used for my 5-day trip to Estonia. I'd like to start with the pieces I've taken with me and then move forward to the outfits. For the tops I have an oversized hoodie, a striped turtleneck and an oversized graphic tee. For the bottoms I've decided to go with a leather-like leggings and a faux leather miniskirt. And as my trip took place in November, which is quite a cold month in Estonia, I've also added 2 pairs of warm tights and a set of thermal underwear. I've also worn my platform dog Martens and an oversized bomber jacket. And for the accessories, I've gone for the knitted scarf, a small black purse, a pair of sunglasses, my go-to set of rings, and a couple of necklaces. Let's start with the first airport look. What I generally like to do in this case is to go for the bulkiest items so I don't need to fit them into my backpack. So I've decided to go with the simple base of the leather-like leggings, the hoodie and the combat boots and top it off with the bomber jacket and the scarf. This is one of my go-to casual winter formulas and it's so cozy and comfy, it works just wonderful for the flight day. Let's move on to the next outfit. Here I'm going with the same leggings and dog Martens and layering a striped turtleneck under a t-shirt. I get that this particular layering situation could seem controversial, so if you're not vibing with it, you can switch a t-shirt in the initial setup for some long and loose button-up. It can be worn both with the hoodie and the turtleneck and also on its own, so this way you'll get even more combinations out of the capsule. Anyways, for my version, I'm also adding a chain necklace and a purse, and of course topping it off with the same bomber jacket and a scarf. For the next outfit, I'm leaving the same layering on the top and switching the bottom for the skirt and tights. By the way, I'm not mentioning thermal underwear in the most of the outfit descriptions, but of course it could and should be added as needed. And I really like to play with the t-shirt and the long sleeve layering combo from time to time, as it's not something revolutionary, but still not something you see too often. And for me it brings some playful and useful yet edgy vibes. For the next outfit, I'm just taking the t-shirt off, adding a thermal layer underneath and switching the necklace. This outfit formula is on the simpler side, but if something is simple, that doesn't mean it doesn't work. And I would say the prints, textures and volumes of the complete look are totally doing the job for me, balancing this easy base. And now I'd like to get back to the hoodie and proceed with the next group of the outfit variations. First 2 of them feature the same leather skirt paired with the hoodie with and without a turtleneck underneath. I really like a turtleneck and a hoodie combo, especially with some additional pattern, as it adds some nice complexity to the outfit together with a ton of warmth. And lately I've also fallen back in love with a loner top and a miniskirt combo, which definitely gives some of the late 2000s, early 2010s vibes, but that's probably a topic for another video. And the final outfit for this capsule is the same turtleneck and hoodie combo paired with the leggings, which also happen to be my flight back airport look. I didn't add a massive necklace here for a smoother security pass, and by the way, if you are going to fly around Europe wearing some platform boots, I highly recommend to take them off before the security gate, as there's a 90% chance you'll be asked to do it and try again anyway. And besides keeping me warm and cozy on the flight, that layering on the top also left me with some additional backpack space for my vintage shopping results, as besides some cosmetics and underwear, I only needed to put this pile of clothes in there. So, to summarize, here are the outfits I've actually worn during the trip, which leaves us with the 2 extra options. I guess some of the outfits could seem quite similar, but I personally have got enough versatility from this capsule just by going for quite different options day by day. And by the way, I've been initially planning to hit a couple of thrift and vintage stores during my trip, so I've been sticking to the minimal amount of clothes I'm taking with me. But in case of no planned shopping, I would be able to add another item to this capsule, probably a crewneck sweater like this one to contribute to the weather and style versatility. Alright, that's all I have to share with you today. Thank you so much for watching, and please let me know in the comments which outfits do you like best or what are your favorite clothing tips for traveling. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more fun and inspirational fashion content. See you next time!